Hello everyone, welcome back dear students of class 4th. Welcome back in your maths class. So in our last video, we have completed our exercise number 14a. Okay, in that we have studied and we have started, we came to know what is AM and PM. Okay, and how to convert 24 hours clock into 12 hours clock and vice versa. Okay, so in this exercise, in our next exercise 14th B, we are going to do some more questions. Okay, so without delaying further, let's start our exercise number 14b, and which is on page number 121. Okay, you can open your page number 121. So let's start. First question is fill in. We have to fill in. Okay, that means we have to convert 5 days into hours. Okay, we know very well 1 day is equals to how many hours? 24 hours. Okay, now it became simple. You are very aware with these type of questions. Okay, so to convert 5 days into hours, what we have to do? We have to multiply it by 24. Got it? Got it dear students? Okay, and we know that 24 5s are 120. Okay, 120. If you want, then I can show you how to multiply. Okay, first of all put it in the column method, and 5 fourths are 20, then 5 tens are 5 twos are 10 plus 2 12. So here are 120 hours. Understood? Okay, very simple questions these are. Now D part, if we are seeing D part, 90 days to months. Okay, tell me what is the relationship between days and the months? We know very well 1 month is equals to how many days? 30 days. Okay, generally we take 30 days. Okay, now 90 days we have to convert into months. So what we have to do? 90 divided by 30. Okay. Use the logic that days are more in numbers than months. Okay, then we are going to the lesser time, and whenever we are going to our lesser unit, then what we have to do? We have to divide it. Okay, so how to divide it by 30? 0 cancel by 0, and 3 threes are 9. So your answer will be 3 months. Understood? Got it? Okay. Now coming towards our last part, 120 seconds is equals to dash minute. Okay, 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Okay, so the same thing we have to do here. 120 seconds is equals to how many minutes? Simply we will divide it by 60, and the same way we will divide it. 0 is cancelled by 0, and 6 twos are 12. So here 2 minutes are there in 120 seconds. Understood? Got it dear students? If still there any problem, then you can pause the video or you can repeat the video. Okay? Okay. Then come on our next part, which is change to minutes. Change to minutes. Okay? So here listen properly. The toughest parts I have taken here. So minutes, it is already in the minutes, so leave it. Okay, see this one, 15 hours. So 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. We are very known with this thing. Okay, what? 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Okay, so to change this one, 15 multiplied by how many? 60, and then plus, simply we will add 15. Understood? Understood dear students? Okay. Now 15 multiplied by 6 is equals to 15 6 are how many? 90. Okay. Then plus 15. Okay. And one more 0 will be there of 60. Okay. Then 900 plus 15 is equals to 915. Okay. Is it visible to you dear students? I will write here also. First of all, we will multiply it by 60 and finally add the minutes, 15 minutes, okay? And then here it will be 900 plus 15 is equals to 915 minutes. Understood? Understood, dear students? Okay. Then moving towards our last part of second question, that is of days. Okay, and that also we have to convert into minutes. And how to convert it into the minutes? See, first of all, we have to go minutes, hours, and then days. Okay, so first of all, 2 multiplied by 60. Sorry, 24. Why 24? Because there are 24 hours in a day. And then multiply by 60. Why 60? Because 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Understood? Now, here, at anyhow you can multiply it. Up to your choice. You can multiply this firstly or this one. Okay? As your wish. So, 8 and 2 2s are 4. Then 48 multiplied by 60. Okay? And then 48, 6. 8 6 are 48. Then 6 4s are 24 and 28. So, here 2, 8, 8 and 1 0 of this minutes. Understood? Okay, dear students. So, this is the minutes. Okay, dear students. Now, coming towards our third question, which is convert to seconds. Okay, that means we have to convert it into the seconds. Already it is in the second. What we have to change? Only 17 minutes into second. We know very well how to change. We will multiply 17 by 60 and finally add 23 to make it into the seconds. And we know very well 17 6 are 102 and 1 0 of 60 plus 23. Then how much we will add? 3, 4, 0 and 1 second. Understood? Got it? Now coming towards our D part, next part. The same thing we have to do here. We have to convert it into the seconds. So directly we can't go into the seconds. What we have to do? First of all, hours to minute. That means 60. And then minutes to seconds. Got it, beta? Okay. 3 multiplied by 6 6 are 36 and 00. And then 0 0. 6 3s are 18 and 3 3s are 1 and 0. Here seconds. Okay. 10800 seconds. Understood? So here answer. Okay. Now coming towards our fourth question. Change to hours. Okay. We have to change them into the hours. 1 day is equals to 24 hours. So first of all change this one. 6 multiplied by 24 and already it is in the hours. So simply we have to add this. Okay. Solve it. 6 4s are 24. 2 and 6 2s are 4, 12 plus 2 14 and 12. So what will be the answer? 2 and 4 6, 4 and 1 5 and 1 means 156 hours. Understood? This is your answer. 156 hours. Okay. Now coming towards our D part. The same thing. 1 month we have to change it into the hours. So directly we can't. So first of all months to days and days to hours. Okay. So 1 multiplied by how many days are there in a month? 30 days. Then days to hours. That means 24. Understood? Then 3 4s are 12. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 and 1 0, and if we will multiply this by 1 then the same thing will come. Okay, same number will come. So 720 hours. This is your answer. Understood? Now coming towards our fifth question. Fifth question is convert to days. Okay? Convert to days. So see, 3 weeks and 4 days. Simply leave 4 days as it is. We have to add them. And what we have to do? We have to change the weeks into days. So 3 multiplied by 1 week is equals to how many days? 7. Okay? And then 7 3s are 21 plus 4, 25 days. Simple. Okay? 25 days. Now, last part of fifth question is 4 months and 2 weeks. So, how many months, how many days are there in a month? 30. Write it here. Add. Okay, this one also we have to change that this time. So, 2 weeks. How many days in a week? 7. And in 2 weeks, 2 into 7. Okay, 4 3s are 12, 120 plus 7 2s are 14. Okay, and if you will add this, so 4, 3, 1 days. That means 134 days. Understood? Okay? Okay, dear students. After that, our sixth part is change into hours and minutes. Okay? How to change into hours and minutes? Listen carefully. Our question is C part 4216 minutes. Okay? That we have to convert it into hours and minutes. Okay? So we know very well how to do this. 24 divided by, this digit will be divided by 24. Okay? See. 4216 divided by 24. Reason you know why we are doing this. Okay? So see how to divide 1, 2 here, and we will divide it by, sorry, hours are there now, not days. So here we will divide it by 60. Okay? Then 60. See here, we know that 6 sevens are 42, and if we are seeing here 60, then 10 will increase. Okay, and here how much is remaining? 1, and here 16. That means remainder is 16. Okay, so what will be the answer? Actually here 7, fully 7 hours, and 16. What is the remainder? 16 minutes. Okay, this is your answer. Got it? How to divide it? Understood? And if in the case no remainder is there, then in that case only hours will be there. For example, our next question is same that I am trying to tell you. D part 600. Okay, the same thing we have to do here. We have to divide it by 60. Okay, so 60, 600 and 60. Ones are 60 and 0. So nothing is there. So here 10 hours. Understood? Got it? 10 hours. Now coming towards our seventh question, which is convert to minutes and seconds. Convert to minutes and seconds. So minute, to convert it into minute, what we have to do? Divide it by 60. Okay. Now if you will divide, simply cut 0 by 0, and 6 6 are 36. So here only hours. Sorry, second is there na? Minutes. Understood? 6 minutes. Now this is minutes and second. Understood? No remainder is there. That means fully 6 minutes will be there in 360 seconds. Here will be 6 2s are 12, 120, and what is remaining here? 6. Leave it as it is. Okay. That means 12 minutes and what is remaining? 6 seconds. Okay. That is your answer. Understood? Now coming towards our 8th question, change to days and hours. All parts are same, that's why I have taken only one part. Okay. Here is 482 hours. Okay. And to change it into the days and hours, what we have to do? We have to divide it by 24. Okay. See how to divide. Many of you are getting problem in dividing, okay, in the division part. So see carefully beta, 4, 8 and 2. Okay, we know very well 24 2s are 4 2s are 8 and 2 2s are 48. So 2s are 48 and what is remaining here? 2 is remaining only here. Okay, so what's our answer? Yes, 2 days and 2 hours. Understood? 2 days and 2 hours is our required answer. Okay. Now see, moving towards the last part of this exercise, test for leap year. Let me tell you how to test for the leap year. Okay. So years that end in 2 zeros are leap year if the number or the year given to us ends with double zero. For example, 1000 or 2000, okay, or 21,000, and if we are dividing it by 400 and fully it is divided by 8, means no remainder is there. That means it is a leap year. Understood? In the case of double zero at the end. But if for all other years, if the year is divisible by 4 only, okay? If the year is divisible by 4 only, then it is a leap year, okay? For example, you will understand here better, 2008, okay? So here 2008, if we will divide it by 4, then no remainder will be there. How? See, 2008 divided by 4, 4 5s are 20, moving here 0, then 8, and then how much? 2s are, okay? So here no remainder is there, so it is a leap year. And we are seeing the next one, B part, 2100. What I told you just now, if there in the digit 200 are there at the end, then we have to divide it by 400, okay? So if we are dividing 2100 by 400, then what? 4 2s are 8, 5, and then cut here 2 zeros by 2 zeros. Is 21 is divisible by 4? No. Okay, so it is not a leap year. It's a common year. Okay, not a leap year. It's a common year. Understood? So here your exercise ends here, children. Understood? Okay, now our exercise number 14C. Come on page number 123. Okay, and exercise number 14C. And in this, do these sums. Very simple it is. From first standard onwards, you are doing these type of questions. Okay, so let's take them. Understand what I am saying? Okay, and afterwards you can do the remaining parts. Okay, so here first F part. Okay, it's in hours. We have to subtract it. Okay, so if we are here, borrow here 87, 19. We have to subtract 87 from 87, 9. We have to subtract. So, okay, it will be 17. Okay, and 9, 8 will remain here. Okay, and here 7 minus 1, 6 hours. Okay, 68 hours. Simple, very simple. Take it very easy. Then D part, here second D, if we have to add them, okay? So 3 and 4, 7. 4, 0, here nothing is there. Consider it as 0, okay? So 8 and 2, 10. 1, 7 and 4, 11 and 1, 12. That means 120 hours and 47 minutes. Understood? Now, third D, subtraction we have to do. Okay? So, 41, we have to subtract 16 from 41. Okay? Here it will be 11. Minus 6, 5. Here it will be 3. Here 2 minus 1, 1. Okay? And 13, it will become 13. 6, how much? 4 and 3, 7. And here 8 minus 7, that means 17 hours, 15 minutes. Understood? Now, here are some questions which is in this form. Okay? So, don't get confused. The first step to solve these type of questions is to arrange them in the column method. Hours and minutes. So, how many hours? 12 and minute 5. And the next one 44 hours and 60 minutes. The correct way of putting this is from this side and from this side. Okay? Put here 0 and simply add them. Okay? No need to put this. This is for your explanation only. Okay? Then add 6, 5 and 1, 6. And here 4, 5, 6. And 4 and 1, 5. Now, what you have to do in the simple addition and subtraction, this is enough. But you know very well, in 1 hour, there are only and only 60 minutes. But here is 66. So, what we have to do? We have to take out 60 from here. Okay? 60 minutes if we will take out, then what will be remaining? 6 will remain here. Okay, 6 minutes will remain here. And what we have given here? 6 minutes. That means 6 minutes will 1 hour. 6 minutes means 1 hour we have already given here. So if we have deducted 60 minutes from here, then 1 hour will be added here. So here if we will add this, so what will be there? 57. That means 57 hours and 6 minutes is your final answer. Understood? You can pause the video, do practice your sums, or you can repeat the video. Okay? Now, so this is your solution of this. Very important type of questions these are. Now see this one, same kind. This is of subtraction. Okay? So hours and minutes. First of all, first step is to convert or to arrange them in the column method. Okay? So 64 and 55. And here 36 and 37. 55. If we are subtracting 37 from 55, then what will be the answer? 18. Simply 18 minutes. Okay. Then nextly, if we are subtracting 36 from 64, okay, then what will be? 28. Okay. So here 28 hours and 18 minutes. Understood? So till here only, till 5th question only, you have to do this exercise. Okay? So here now your coding chapter is completed. Okay? What's your homework? Your homework is to complete the remaining parts, and if any problem is there, then you can ask me. Okay? Each and every type of question is covered here. Okay? Now you can complete your work and take care.